cancel Planet Fitness membership in the app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your Planet Fitness membership in the app itself. So first of all, you need to open your Planet Fitness app in your mobile device, and after that you need to click on the profile icon from the top left hand side corner of your mobile screen. And here when you click on link club membership, you will be able to see that I don't have any membership in my Planet Fitness account already. But if you have taken the membership in your Planet Fitness account, you will be able to see your membership details on this particular page already. Since I don't have any membership, that is why I don't see the option to cancel the membership on this page. But I will show you how you will be able to cancel it in case you have the membership in your account. So now as you can see that I am in the official article page in the Planet Fitness membership page right here. So the first article says that how do I cancel my membership. So just tap on it, and it says that the cancellation process may vary from club to club. So the best first step is to contact your home location to confirm the cancellation policy. For most locations, you can visit your home club in person to cancel your membership, or send a written notification via mail to your home club requesting to cancel. Some members may also be eligible to cancel their membership online based on their membership type and the location of their home club. If you have any additional questions, you can contact to the home club or the member service department. So the cancellation of your membership will depend on the type of account or the membership that you have bought from your Planet Fitness account. For example, you have taken the membership offline in any Planet Fitness club, so you have to visit the Planet Fitness club in order to cancel your membership. And if you have bought the membership online in the app, you need to contact the support system in the Planet Fitness, so in order to get your membership cancelled online itself. So these are the few ways through which you can cancel your Planet Fitness membership in the app. So that's how you do it. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel your Planet Fitness membership in the app. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.